Double-hung window installation is a popular choice for homeowners in Covington seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. With a focus on energy-efficient window replacement, our services ensure that your home remains comfortable year-round. Our team specializes in window sash installation, providing solutions that extend the life of your existing windows. Vinyl window replacement is another service we offer, ideal for those looking to upgrade with durable and low-maintenance double-hung windows. Covington. For those in Covington, window frame restoration is a crucial service that can revitalize the appearance and performance of your windows. Our custom window solutions cater to unique architectural styles, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Window glass replacement is essential for maintaining clarity and insulation, and our insulated window services provide added energy efficiency. We also specialize in double-hung windows. Covington, which combine beauty and performance. Window hardware upgrade services in Covington enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Our weatherproofing solutions protect your home from the elements, while screen installation keeps pests at bay. Covington window trim replacement is available for those looking to refresh their home's exterior. For added value, our window pane installation services are also available for double-hung windows. Covington, ensuring long-lasting efficiency. Our window style consultation in Covington helps homeowners choose the best designs to complement their homes. Window maintenance services are essential for prolonging the life of your windows, and our Covington window leak installation addresses any issues promptly. Glazing services improve insulation and reduce noise, while balance installation ensures smooth operation. Security is enhanced with lock installation, and double-hung windows. Covington remain a top choice for versatile styling. Window draft prevention is a key service for maintaining energy efficiency in Covington homes. Our measurement services ensure a perfect fit for replacements and upgrades. Hinge installation in Covington addresses operational issues, and our replacement consultation provides expert guidance. With our expertise in double-hung windows. Covington, homeowners enjoy both energy savings and improved curb appeal. Energy-efficient windows in Covington are a smart investment, reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our sash installation services extend window life, while vinyl windows in Covington offer modern, low-maintenance solutions. Window frame restoration revitalizes your home's look, and custom solutions meet unique needs. Glass replacement and insulated double-hung windows. Covington provide both clarity and outstanding efficiency. Covington window seal installation is crucial for preventing drafts and maintaining comfort. Window hardware services enhance functionality and security, while weatherproofing protects against the elements. Screen installation keeps pests out, and trim replacement refreshes your home's look. For complete performance, our team installs and maintains double-hung windows. Covington with care. For top-notch double-hung window installation in Covington, look no further. Our expert team specializes in double-hung windows. Covington, ensuring your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient solutions. Whether you need vinyl replacement or custom designs, we provide comprehensive consultations to match your needs. Energy-efficient replacement is crucial for reducing costs and enhancing comfort. Our Covington services include insulated windows and weatherproofing to keep your home cozy. We also offer caulking and draft prevention solutions. With double-hung windows Covington, you get maximum comfort combined with timeless design. Window sash installation and frame restoration are essential for maintaining window integrity. Our Covington sash and frame services ensure windows remain strong and stylish. We also provide trim replacement and pane installation, and our work on double-hung windows Covington guarantees performance and longevity. For those in need of glass replacement Covington, our team delivers high-quality glazing services. We handle seal and lock installation to ensure security and efficiency. Our hardware upgrade services are ideal for any home, especially for double-hung windows Covington, which require precision and care. Custom windows Covington add a personal touch to your property. Our consultation services help you choose designs that fit your style. We also provide screen installation and maintenance, ensuring long-term results. Many homeowners choose double-hung windows Covington for their versatility and classic appeal. Leak installation and balance installation are critical for smooth operation and damage prevention. Our Covington services address these issues quickly. We also handle hinge installation, ensuring windows open and close with ease. With double-hung windows Covington, you get functionality with a traditional look. For those upgrading, our vinyl windows Covington services offer durability and style. Measurement services ensure a perfect fit, while our consultations provide expert recommendations. From glass replacement to hardware, we handle it all, and our premium double-hung windows Covington remain one of the most requested upgrades. Window maintenance Covington is key to extending window life. Our comprehensive services include weatherproofing, screen installation, and lock replacement. We also provide glazing and draft prevention solutions. Maintaining double-hung windows Covington ensures long-term efficiency and performance. Our consultation and measurement services in Covington ensure you get perfect windows every time. Whether it's hinge or pane installation, our experts deliver precise results. Contact us for all your needs, from glass replacement to hardware upgrades. Our focus on double-hung windows Covington guarantees beauty, durability, and energy efficiency.